In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an evaluation form using Google Forms in just 5 minutes. Whether you're gathering feedback for an event, getting insights from a training session, or evaluating an educational course, creating a tailored evaluation form can be the key to gaining valuable information. So let's dive right into it. First, you need to head over to Google Drive. Simply open your web browser and enter the Google Drive website. Once you're there, you'll see a large colourful button marked New on the left hand side of the page. Click on it. This will bring up a menu where you can create a variety of documents, sheets and more. Among the options you will find Google Forms. Click on Google Forms to start creating your new form. Now that you're in Google Forms, you'll see a few options for pre-made templates. For the purpose of this demonstration, we're going to start with a blank form. Select the blank form option and this will open up a fresh canvas for your evaluation form. The first thing we want to do is give our form a name. At the top of the form you'll see a space for the title. Click on it and enter a name that suits your evaluation's purpose. For example, you might call it Event Feedback or Course Evaluation. Next, it's time to add questions. With Google Forms you can include a variety of question types like multiple choice, checkboxes and drop-downs. To create your first question, click on the question field and choose the type of question you want from the drop-down menu on the right. Once you've decided, type in your question and the possible responses. As you add each question, you'll notice a required toggle switch beneath them. Clicking this will ensure that respondents must answer the question before submitting the form. Use this to prioritize crucial questions. Once your first question is set, go ahead and add another question by clicking the plus icon to the right. For variation, you might change this question type to a multiple choice question, offering predefined answers for selection. If you'd like to gather more extensive information, you can add sections to your form. Sections allow you to group related queries, making your form cleaner and more organized. To add a section, simply click on the section icon in the toolbar. You can configure this section by naming it and adding further questions tailored to that section's topic. Perhaps you want to gather detailed opinions. In that case, consider using the checkboxes option for questions that allow for multiple answers. Once you've finalized all your questions and configurations, the last step is to preview your form. Click the eye icon on the top right corner, which will present your form exactly as your respondents will see it. And that's it. In just a few steps, you've created a customized evaluation form using Google Forms. With your form ready and set to go, you're now equipped to collect crucial feedback that can help propel your next project to success. Happy form building?